Today I'm going to give you my special recipes for preventing stroke, heart attack, blood clotting, atherosclerosis, one of the worst, maybe worst diseases of modern world. Today I will recommend you some extraordinary natural tips for preventing blood clots. You really want to prevent the formation of the blood clots because they are main causes of the heart attack and the stroke. You will regularly drink this drink that I will recommend you. In this way, you prevent the accumulation of bad cholesterol in the blood vessels and you give much better functions of the heart and the brain. Some of the best natural remedies for removing blood clots are called ginger, turmeric, cayenne pepper and the Ceylon cinnamon. What other natural remedies we'll put in the drinks? First of all, an extraordinary and a vegetable called garlic, and a large number of people take it regularly. Also they should, because this plant has many health benefits, one of which is preventing blood clots. We will add probably the best nut in the world, the drink for improving the functions of the heart and the blood vessel, and it's called Brazilian nuts. Also, in this special drink, all these special ingredients that I'm going to tell you a little bit later, you're going to mix it with natural probiotics. The best sources of probiotics, of course, is the kefir, is the very good, probably number one sources of probiotic in the world. How to make drink? In the blender, put 200 milliliters of kefir, 3 Brazilian nuts, 1/2 small spoon of organic turmeric powder, 1/2 small spoon of organic ginger powder, a pinch of cayenne pepper, 1 clove of garlic, 1 small spoon of honey. Mix it all this and drink 30 days in a row, then take a break. Some more very important information. The healthiest diet in the world, of course, is intermittent fasting. If you take in consideration, practice best way to get better is intermittent fasting, also with this special drink. This drink is going to help you a lot with the cholesterol levels, it's going to prevent blood clots, it's going to lower your blood pressure. That is also very important because all of this can lead to heart attack and the stroke, and we really want to avoid this. On my channel you have thousands and thousands of videos of natural remedies that can help you a lot. What are best of them for preventing blood clots? Find in this video right here. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.